There have always been voices that will tell you how Wales should be. Small, quiet, grateful for what it's given. A country that should be seen and not heard. Except we're not. Because there's another voice. A voice that, even though many have tried to silence it, never went away. A voice that carries through valleys and towns, through classrooms and kitchens and stadia, through generations who refuse to forget who they were. A voice that says, we are still here, still speaking, still creating, still standing. It would have been easy to give up, but we didn't. We couldn't. We can't. Because this is who we are. And soon we will have to decide who we want to be. We've already heard those loud voices telling us what we should do. They want us to throw away the tools we have made to build a better future. They want us to settle for hatred dressed up as answers. They want us to let fear decide the direction we take. But that's not us. We want to step forward and show the world what Wales is and what we can do. We want to protect our communities, our language, our culture. We want to make something bigger and better that belongs to us. This isn't just about politics. It's about you, me, all of us. So when the time comes, when the choice is in front of you, and when it's your voice that matters, remember who we've always been. Not small, not silent, not afraid, but a nation that endures, a nation that adapts, a nation that refuses to disappear. We are still here, and what happens next is up to us.